and Mark. Okay, I was gonna just leave this with the natural Minecraft sounds, you know, the splashing of the water, the TNT exploding. Thought it'd be sort of a nice, sort of calm check. You know, like those unusual Minecraft videos that people do where they don't speak and it's just like you can really hear them walking on the grass and everything just surround it. Well, I was going to do that with this, but I couldn't because the audio is completely out of sync when my phone recorded it. So you've just got my voice instead. Okay, never mind. So what you just saw there was the creeper farm, which I stayed up until 4 a.m. on the Wednesday night building, listening to podcasts. Podcasts being the only thing stopping me from going completely potty while I was building the creeper farm. This video was filmed on Thursday night before midnight, which was sort of my deadline. I haven't been able to sort this video out because obviously I had to record my voice over it, etc. And then I've been doing NetherIte for the past couple of days, so I've only just got around to actually sorting this video out. But yeah, here we are going into the Nether. The funny thing is, the Nether tunnel that I dug to put the TNT in, I actually found ancient debris on the side of it. I have a feeling it might be more common in Bedrock than Java, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm probably going to find that out when I try and get some ancient debris on NetherIte, which I should hopefully do soon. So keep an eye out for that. Yeah, and here we go. I'm just going down these stairs. I'm going to light this TNT here. And I tried resyncing the audio. The audio wasn't just desynced. It was the wrong length. It was like it was squished to the. I tried like editing the audio, but then I realized I'd have to calculate the audio speed. I have to put it on like precisely 86.5% speed. And I'm not resyncing audio for you. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do sound technician for a minute video I filmed on my phone. So this video has no audio apart from me talking over it. But I'm just going to walk down these steps here, and as you can see, right next to me. Come on, walk. Oh, it's very laggy because of all the items. You have to wait 5 minutes for them all to despawn if you're playing on a phone. But yeah, if we just go, yep, look right in the corner there. I'm pointing to it with my finger on the video. You can see ancient debris. So I did complete the challenge in time. So you know, in case you was wondering, did I do this challenge? Yes, I did. It was very fun, but I stayed up far too late and on holiday, and it was completely unnecessary. And I built a better mob farm than I've ever built on anything on a phone overnight. I'm basically potty. Anyway, it's the video. The screen's gone black. It's over. But I'm talking too long. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my NetherIte videos as well. See you next time.